Welcome to All Skins Training Academy London. Are you ready to take your pixie haircut skills to the next level? Sign up now and join our fantastic pixie haircut training program at All Skins Training Academy London. We believe that learning a new skill is not only important but also enjoyable. Our experienced trainers will guide you through the process of mastering the art of pixie haircutting. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in the field, our program is designed to help you achieve and become a successful pixie hairstylist. What we offer: modern and equipped training facilities, expertly trained and experienced instructors, personalized learning plan to suit your needs, on-the-job practice opportunities, career guidance and support. Why choose All Skins Training Academy London? Our reputation for providing high-quality training, our commitment to student success, our supportive and motivating environment, the opportunity to develop your skills and become a successful hairstylist. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to improve your pixie haircut skills. Sign up now and start your journey to success with All Skins Training Academy London. We can't wait to welcome you to our academy and help you achieve your goals. Remember, the future of hairdressing is pixie haircutting, and at All Skins Training Academy London, we are well equipped to help you become a master at it. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start your training journey today.